Hello friend, today I will take the previous video revision because the sound was very slow. Okay, now yesterday I take string, integer and variables. What are variables and using Python as calculator. Then I will start now. I will first take what is variable. If I type v is equal to 7, then the value 7 will be in v. Means if I print v, it will in v there is 7. Okay. This is integer. Variables means what? A value that can be changed. Means a value that can be changed. Yes. A value that can be changed. Okay. If I type v is equal to h, and it will give us error because it is integer and we are using string. What is string? Means strings mean abcd that, and integer mean number 1 2 3 4 5 that. Okay, now I am taking, if you want string you will type v is equal to double inverted comma or single inverted comma double, means this double 8 dot 1 2 or 1 2 this. Okay, now I will take this one because I like it. Then I will take, what will we do? Okay, Python. If I write Python and then enter and then type v, it will give me Python. Okay, now I will tell you what is print. If I print v and enter, it will give me the Python because it is same as this, but it is not. It will come double single inverted comma last and first. Now if I using, if I write print, okay, print, and in it I will take double inverted comma double and type Python, then it will print that. Print is that. If you are using printer, then you know it will print what is given in. If we print, wait, I am taking a variable f is equal to 7 and I type print, and in it I type f. Okay, it will give us the answer f, means in value in f. Okay, it is in, it is string. If we, for what class is it, we type f, it will give us integer. Okay, now I type, means type and in it I type v, then it will give us values class string. Str means string. And if I like this, right, then pause the video and say me in command what is the answer. It will give us string or integer. Tell me in command box, mean in the command box. Yes, pause and tell me. Okay, I think that you have written down, and I am doing it. It is string because I write it in the double inverted comma, and we can write this only also str, and it will 7, then it will give a string. Okay, means str means string, it is in string. And if I type is equal to int integer 7, and it will give us integer. Okay, now we can write like this also, c plus f 14. 7 plus 7, 14. And if we write 7 minus 7, it will give us 0. I am changing its value. Okay, 87. I write 87 value means 87 in F. Okay, now I write F. We can do it into V type star in Python means computer into C, and it will give us the answer 87 into 7. And if I type 7 means F divided by C, and will the value give us value. Okay, we can use it for calculator also, Python for calculator. Now I am telling you today's lecture was in list. If I type list is equal to list, and if I type okay, in first I type Sam, and in second I type Wade, and in third I type Joy, and in fourth I type Om. Okay, and I enter it, then it will not give us anything. If I type list and enter, and it will give us the value that what is in list. In list there is this all items which are called items. If we type this bracket, then it will say that it is list. List is that value that can be changed, means we can change like this Om, and we can cut it also. It will be no problem. Okay, I'm typing this only. Okay, now we can print it also by using print. We will use print in future only, not like that list, like that type like this. We'll use list on print only. Okay, now I'm telling you how to we can use any variable in instead of list. We can use C, sorry, if we type C and print C and then enter, it will give us the value that only. We can use any variable with a instead of list. Now we can use like this also. If I write C and in this bracket I write 0, then what will it come? Sam, because Python will take this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, means the 0 value means first value of the first item of the, it will print first item of the C. First you want to type which list, which which list you want to be get. That's why we use print. It can give us this value also. If we write like this, it will give or not? Tell me. Yes, it will give. But if we didn't want this, so we write print. It will give us this also, but we will use print in future. So I am using print. Okay, now if I write print and C in it and type this bracket, square bracket and a square bracket. This is list bracket. It is of list bracket, but I am not using list. If I type 3, it will give us ohm. If I type 2, it will give us joy. And if I type 1, definitely it gives us Wade. And if I write, instead of I am writing 1 means 0 means 2, no, I will take 1 only, 1 to 4. What will be answer? Okay, look this, Wade, joy and ohm. Wade, joy and ohm. I have written 4 because it takes the predecessor of that number. Means if I take 3, it will take 2. It will take 2 means Wade and joy. It will take 2. And if we can write like this also, -1. What will the -1 value? It will be ohm. It is not starting with 0. Okay, then if I type -1 colon -4, and what will be happen? Why is it not happening? I will tell you. Wait, I am opening the paint and I am in this motor and I am taking a line. If you know number line and you didn't want to do this part, you can see it in line, number line. There is these lines in it. It is the value of 0. Here is, I will tell you. I am writing the first of the this, and I will take 0. And there is the 1, 2, 3. I am not writing good, I know that. And there is 1, -1, -2, and -3 here. And now there can be the -1. In number line there is -1 this side, means minus value, and plus value in this side. So we will write -1 to -4. Means what? In paint, in number line there is -3 here and -4 here. So it can be done as this. Means in the valuable we can do this. Neither Python default goes like this. And to do like this, so we will change the position of it. Now what will you tell me? It is giving joy in first. Why? Because it not gives the last number. It gives only skipping one last number. It gives this other value. And I will tell you what will. And last I will tell you, no, I will tell you okay. And if I type c dot append and I type cd in it, then it will append. Mean if I type c, then it will add cd, mean it will append. Append mean it will add. And there is a command that is c dot remove is there. Remove, it will remove what we want to remove. If I remove Sam, then it will be removed. Means there is not, it will remove Sam from this list. Okay. And if I type c dot pop, what will it happen? I think that 13 is wrong. I will take it today because this video is too much longer. I think yes, I will tell you now. I am not taking down. If I type c dot insert and if I type in, I want value in 1 and I will want value read d. I have got wrong. It wants to first and end. I think index error, no, syntax error it is. It was indentation, indent. Indent means space. In Python, indent means space. It was the space. So it is not cow. Okay, then we type C. It will insert read D in 1 means 0 and 1. It will insert in 1. Okay, I think my video is too much longer. I am starting how to create YouTube channel because, and I will show you how to make intro, and in the end I will do that, means I am doing in last that music and that I will show you how to do it and how to install KineMaster. It's free, open. It is free. I have downloaded mod, so it is not coming made by KineMaster. I will tell you. Okay, thank you.